Good afternoon, my friends.
Good afternoon.
My name is Rara. I'm a student of elementary school in the class 6. I want to tell you about two important rivers. The first is the river Batanghari in Sumatra. It is about 800 kilometers long, the longest river in Sumatra. The source is in Montarasan, West Sumatra. It flows through West Sumatra and Jambi. People use the water from the river for agriculture, transport routes, and source of water. Finally, the river flows into Berhala Strait. This is the mouth of the river. The second is the river Mahakam in East Kalimantan. It is about 920 kilometers long. The source is in Mount Cemaru. It flows through Kutai and Samarinda, East Kalimantan. People use the water from the river for agriculture, fishing, transport routes, and source of water. Finally, the river flows into Makassar Strait. This is the mouth of the Mahakam. Okay, friends, I think that's all. Thank you for attention and goodbye.